Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu has called for providing equal property rights to women and the importance of fully empowering women to make the country progress. Naidu pointed out that women constituted nearly 50% of the country's population and said they should be encouraged to participate in various fields at par with men. Naidu said the poor and marginalized sections need to be empowered through education and vocational skills. Underlining the important role of agriculture in the country's economic progress, Naidu further called upon all stakeholders to bestow greater attention on agriculture. Similarly, India's demographic dividend should be fully realized by skilling and empowering the youth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the redeveloped Rani Kamlapati railway station in Bhopal during his visit to Madhya Pradesh today. The redeveloped Rani Kamlapati railway station, named after the brave and fearless Queen Kamlapati of the Gund Kingdom, is the first world-class railway station in Madhya Pradesh. The station has been designed as a green building with modern world-class amenities that also takes into account ease of mobility for Divyangjans. The station is also developed as a hub for integrated multimodal transport. During the visit, the Prime Minister will also dedicate multiple initiatives on railways and also flag off 2 new trains between Ujjain-Indore and Indore-Ujjain. Nagaland Governor Prof Jagdish Mukhi expressed shock and sadness at the killing of riflemen Khatne Konyak and 6 others in an ambush by militants on the convoy of the 46 Assam Rifles at CLC village on the Chorachandpur district in Manipur on 13th November. Strongly condemning the action of the perpetrators, Mukhi said the inhuman and cowardly attack and killing of the Assam Rifles personnel, including a woman and a child, deserves the highest condemnation. Mukhi further added that those perpetrators have no place in our society and justice will be served immediately. In a press release, Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Theria also strongly condemned the killing and said killing during peacetime is inhumane. Union Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh has called for promoting sustainable and viable startups by roping in industry in the fast emerging field of biotechnology sector. After 2-day comprehensive review of 14 autonomous institutions of the Department of Biotechnology, Dr. Jitendra Singh underlined the need for inter as well as intra-collaboration among the Frontier Department of Biotechnology Institutes for cutting-edge and translation research for the overall benefit of the society and the country. Singh impressed upon the autonomous institutes to focus on 1 or 2 key areas of research and aspire to achieve global standards. Virtual registration for India's biggest film festival, the 52nd International Film Festival of India, are now open. Filmmakers and film enthusiasts can visit the portals iffigoa.org and dff.gov.in for registrations. 9-day-long 52nd International Film Festival of India will begin on 20th of this month in Goa. Australia defeated New Zealand by 8 wickets to win their maiden 2020 World Cup title. Having restricted New Zealand to 172 for 4, Australia reached their target with 7 balls to spare. Courtesy of a brilliant batting display by opener David Warner, who scored 53 of 38 balls, while Mitchell Marsh remained unbeaten on 77 from 50 deliveries to see Australia through. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors and nurses and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to fully get vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information or guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and state helpline number 18003450019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.